Magandang araw mga kapins, makikipiesta tayo. Philippine Fiesta 2024 dito sa Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada mga kapins. Sasaglit lang tayo. Yun. Pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga kaganapan doon mga kapins. Kasi may duty pa ako mamaya. Yun. Intro muna tayo mga kapins. Mga kapins. Ayan o. Sa likod ko may amphibian. Ayan o. Ayan o. So dito tayo ngayon sa downtown Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada mga kapins. Makikipiesta tayo doon. Ayan mga kapins. So may ulit. Dito tayo sa Citadel.
Unsa man inyong gusto? Manood ta or kami lang manood ang palit og pagkaon dito sa pamangako?
Two. In Tagalog, two.
It's okay.
No, that's okay. Diba? Maintindihan naman
He
niya.
understands.
Right, Seti?
Right, you can understand.
Yeah.
Thank you, thank
So
you.
why not?
The princess carefully dodges as they fall while her slave
Lakad na.
follows her around. The prince then finds her and the other dancers begin to dance slowly and progress to faster tempo. Are you excited? In Sulu, which is on the southern part of the Philippines, royal princesses are required to learn the dance.
Ikot ko kayo mga kapins.
Says in the dance, specifically in Lanao, are usually
Yun.
on her head
Ngayon,
and follows her as she dances.
may storytelling.
Are you ready for Singkil?
Ayan o, singkil.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you our single dancers, Maynard, Regine, Venice, Kylie, Gian, Angie, Tosh, Caitlin, Scott.
Si Bunso lang ko hindi. Kung sumali.
Ayun yun. Ito yung presentation niya. Last year yung bunso namin kasama.
Yun yung sineho nila Bunso last year.
Doon.
The acid
Oh, doon may pagkainan din. Bukas meron din.
originated
Ha? May entrance. Ay, exit. Dito, entrance. Tingnan natin.
portraying an unmarried young woman
Entrance saan?
seeking
Saan entrance dyan?
Galing. 1, 2.
her sultan master.
Ano mga kapinsan? Yung mga sikat ng ano dito sa Filipino-owned restaurant. Bayos, Bay Kubo, Alae,
Let's ready.
yung McJolly, yun.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1,
So, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3. Am I counting fast? It's just like that. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Ano,
Like that, right? Okay. Again.
Sponsor sa
Are
mga-
you guys following?
sa mga
Start
sumali
moving
dito.
so you know the count. You know, it's like. Okay, go. 1,
taunang
2024.
2024.
Up.
Taunang
1, 2, up. 1, 2.
Philippine
it's
Fiesta.
easy.
Yun mga kapins, uwi na ako.
Right now. Audio crush.
Since TV may iwan dito.
Introduction.
Uwi na ako kasi, papasok kasi ako.
And also,
Oh, shout
to my
out.
left, introducing the latest winner of Dance
Yeah.
Challenge
Saan yung exit? I don't.
from France.
So yan mga kapins.
Sayang yung
So,
They did ballet.
thank you for
Not
the short
tinikling,
vlog for
but
today.
they are here to try tinikling today.
Yan. So, proud to be a
Whatever
Filipino pa rin mga
introduction I
kapins.
said,
Yun.
remember.
And don't forget
Oh,
the hashtag Pins TV,
Okay,
Pinoy
are we
Nova
ready for the
Scotia.
challenge? The best
Hashtag
group
Pins
to
TV Canada
perform,
mga kapins.
okay? The best group to perform
Yeah.
gets a merchandise.
risk and
No,
crumble.
no hitting the.
Thank you.
Uwi ka na. Ay, ano, pasok ka na.
Bye-bye.
Malapit na nga.
Bye-bye.
Best